Greetings punters, Ben here, and we're here to draw game 645, which is DAX XMEN 94, signed by Mr. Chris Claremont. We are live, and it is 8:49, and it's currently 8:49. All right, let's have a look. We have 96 spots. Starting with Deej Meister at 96. Oh, and bloody hell, Deej at number 1 as well. Alrighty, let's go and zoom in. Alright, so we had 96 spots. We have Deej at number 1. Looking for spaces, anything unusual. And Deej at 96. Alright, 3 dice roll. 3 and 4 is 7 and 2 is 9. 2 and 4 is 6 and 3 is 9. Alrighty. 9 rolls. Here we go. Number 1. That was 2, 3, 4, it's 5, 6. All right, we are on 7. We're going to do 2 check. 3 and 4 is 7, and 2 is 9. So we have 2 to go. Penultimate. Alrighty, and that was 8. So next one is for the winner. Here we go. Oh, too slow, I think. Alright, let's go and see. Oh, I need to get a better mouse so I can do this with them. And our winner of XMEN 94 is... Kev Meister. Kevin Cow. There you go. Kev, get in contact with DAC to claim your book. Alrighty. We are done. Alrighty. 8:51. Alright, thanks for playing. See you next time.